Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 03 of the video lecture series conic section. Yes, we have started the conic section and by parabola हम लोगों ने खत्म कर दिया है, फाड़ दिया है parabola को. Okay, so if you have not seen the video number 1, 2, 2.1, 2.2, so I request you please go through those videos first because भाई वहाँ से ही सब concept निकलता है. First video तो सबसे important था. Okay, so let's get started to this video. In this video I will be covering the only Brahmastra for the ellipse. Let's see what is the concept behind the ellipse. So if you ask me the definition of the ellipse, so it is the locus of a point whose sum of distances from the fixed point and fixed line is always same. Okay, or you may see the definition is like this. It is the locus of a point whose sum of the distances from the two fixed points is always same. क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में, इसमें और इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? ये देखो भाई, सम ऑफ द डिस्टेंसेस बिटवीन फिक्स्ड पॉइंट एंड फिक्स्ड लाइन. ओके, ये पॉइंट है एंड लाइन है, ये इसके बारे में बात कर रहा है. एंड दिस इज टॉकिंग अबाउट पॉइंट एंड पॉइंट. ओके, सो दीज आर द टू सम्स वी हैव. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी what is the actual pictorial definition of the ellipse. Okay, suppose this is the x-axis, we have x-axis, and suppose this is an y-axis we have, and considering this as a center, let's draw an ellipse. So this is my ellipse now. Okay, and here these are the two fixed lines we have, these are the two fixed lines we have, and these are the two fixed points we have. Okay, yes, very good. Now see, the first definition is the sum of the distances from the fixed point and fixed line is always same. Means what? This is an ellipse, its distance, suppose I take this point P, suppose I take this point P in bracket x comma y. Now this is the locus of a point whose distance, इसका P का distance from the fixed line, suppose this is point M and this fixed point is always same. Suppose I name this point as a PS. Okay, so what this definition is saying, this is saying is by PS is equals to PM. Okay, so PS is equals to PM nahi hai, the sum of the distances, that is a PS plus PM is equals to some constant, is always same. So this PS plus PM is always same. Okay, you take any value, any point P, suppose I take suppose Q is equals to suppose Q1 comma Y1, then what? So the distance of this Q from the fixed point, यहाँ से ये लिया और ये लिया, this is the constant, the sum is always going to be constant. Okay, you take the sum as from this fixed line or this fixed line, your sum is going to be same always. Okay, and that is going to be constant only. Now these are the names we have. So this is a focus, this fixed point is known as a focus, it is the same as your parabola. The fixed line is again same, it is the same as your direct parabola, which is known as a directrix. Only the difference, only the change we have is, इसको हम लोग axis बोलते थे parabola में, now we are naming it as a major axis, and this is a minor axis. ओके, वर्टेक्स तो सेम है. ये देखो भाई, जहां से आपका पैराबोला स्टार्ट हुआ था, दैट पॉइंट वी नेम्ड एज अ वर्टेक्स, सेम है यहाँ पे भी. ओके, इलिप्स में भी सेम है, दिस इज अ वर्टेक्स, दिस इज सेंटर. सो ये देखो भाई, ये इलिप्स जो है ना, अभी दोनों एक्सिस से सिमेट्रिक है, एक्स एक्सिस से भी है, वाई एक्सिस से भी है. सो वी हैव टू वर्टाइसेस, टू फोकस एंड टू डायरेक्ट्रिक्स वी हैव. ओके, सो लेट्स हैव all the coordinates here in this figure. Suppose this is a point C, which is center 0 comma 0. Here we have the focus, which is denoted as a S. So S in bracket we have AE comma 0. We'll see what is E is. Okay, next we have is, so this is a focus, ये focus हो गया. Now this is an vertex, it is a vertex and its coordinates are a comma 0. This line is an directrix and इसके coordinates, the coordinate of this point is a by e comma 0. and this is my directrix. मेरा नहीं है, ellipse का है, directrix. Okay, so this is my directrix. This is a directrix. So what will be the equation of this directrix? Can you please tell me what will be the equation of this directrix? Is it is passing through the some point x, so and it is parallel to y axis, so its का form क्या रहेगा? X is equals to a by e is the equation of this directrix. Now coming to this side, ये हो गया भाई LHS. Coming to this side RH, LHS में आ जाओ, sorry, this is an RHS, this is LHS. So same है, it is a symmetric. So what will be this point? Is it is again focus, name it as S dash, which is equals to minus AE comma 0. What about this point? This is again my vertex and इसके coordinates will be minus A comma 0. And what about this? This is again directrix we have, and this coordinate is nothing but minus A by E comma 0. So we have two directrix, two vertex and two focus, only one center. So this is known as a major axis, and this is known as a minor axis. It's very easy, and trust me, if you are perfect, if you remember this figure, no doubt you can solve any question from the ellipse. Okay, is it okay? Please make a note of this figure, very important figure. And one more part we have here is, so this is what it is, a focal distance we have. So the line which is a perpendicular, okay, I will erase this focus, a line which is a perpendicular to the major axis and passing through the focus is known as what? सेम है भाई, पैराबोला, इलिप्स एंड हाइपरबोला, तीनों में पैरामीटर सब सेम है. दिस इज नोन एज अ लैटिस रेक्टम. ओके, एंड व्हाट वाज द लेंथ of the lattice rectum in a parabola, which is 4a. okay, now what will be the length of this lattice rectum? इसका भी खुद का कुछ लेंथ होना चाहिए ना. yes, first make note that इसके जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स होते हैं ना, this is nothing but ae comma b square by a, which is nothing but ae comma b square by a, the coordinate of this point. what about this point then? it is ae comma minus b square by a. It's as simple as that. Means what? If I draw perpendicular here on the y-axis, this point will be b square by a. So इतना सब remember करने की जरूरत नहीं. Just remember that the coordinate of this point is nothing but ae comma b square by a. ae कहाँ से आ गया? ये यहाँ से ae आ गया. Okay, x coordinate is ae आ गया, y coordinate is b square by a. So can you tell me what will be the length of lattice rectum in the ellipse? सो इतना इसका लेंथ कितना है, ये लेंथ कितना है? इट इज बी स्क्वायर बाय ए, एंड यहाँ पे नीचे बी स्क्वायर बाय, मीन्स व्हाट? इट इज बी स्क्वायर बाय ए. सो इट इज नथिंग बट 2b square by a is the length of lattice rectum in an ellipse. That's it. This is the end of your ellipse. Okay, what are the important parts here we have seen is, देखो भाई एक ट्रिक दे देता हूँ यहाँ पे आपको, ठीक है? रिमेंबर इन दिस वे. ओके, फोकस. See, if you move from the center to directrix, what you will get is, first you will get focus, then you will get vertex, and then you will get directrix. Okay, so focus, vertex and directrix, FVD. Okay, remember in this way, FVD, and इसके coordinates is what? It is AE, it is A, and it is what? A by E. Trust me, it is the most important way to remember the ellipse. Why? Because exactly इसका उल्टा रहेगा आपका हाइपरबोला. मतलब क्या है? इफ यू आर ओके विद दिस ellipse ना, ये ट्रिक से आपको हाइपरबोला में ज्यादा मेहनत करने की जरूरत नहीं. हाइपरबोला में क्या रहेगा? DVF रहेगा. यहाँ पे आपको FVD मिल रहा है. in the hyperbola you will get DVF. the coordinates 100% these coordinates will remain same. you will come to know when we start the hyperbola. okay, ज्यादा टेंशन मतलब, अभी इसका सिर्फ क्या करना है आपको? FVD, इतना ही आपको याद रखना है. FVD मतलब फर्स्ट यू विल गेट फोकस, देन विल गेट वर्टेक्स, देन विल गेट डायरेक्ट्रिक्स, AE, A and A by E. very good. okay, now let's have some conceptual view to this ellipse. okay, so what is the eccentricity and what is the general equation of ellipse is? So eccentricity, I will erase everything here. Is okay, what is eccentricity is, suppose this is your focus. okay, yes, this is your focus what is the coordinate of this focus is S, A, E, comma 0. Suppose this is a point P you are talking about. This is a point P, any general point on an ellipse. So what is the eccentricity is? Eccentricity is nothing but, so ये ले लो भाई इसका perpendicular distance. So here it is the PM and it is a PS. What is the eccentricity is? It is always PS by PM. It is the distance from the fixed point to the fixed line. So PS by PM is always equals to my eccentricity. Okay. It is the same thing in the parabola, in the hyperbola, and in the ellipse. This eccentricity remains same, which is what? PS by PM. It is a distance from the fixed point and a fixed distance from the fixed line. So it is PS by PM. It is always same. So in the parabola, if you remember, what about these distances? ये distance and ये distance क्या था? Though distances were same. So PS and PM were same in the parabola. That's why we get eccentricity of the parabola is equals to 1. So eccentricity of the parabola is equals to 1. What about this ellipse? See, this PS by PM in the ellipse is always is less than 1. It is always less than 1. So whenever you have eccentricity less than 1, that means you are talking about ellipse. And what about the hyperbola? See, this in the hyperbola, if you have the figure and if you mark this PS and PM, in that you will get this eccentricity is always greater than 1. So eccentricity greater than 1 means what? You have the hyperbola. Okay. So please make a note of this. Eccentricity equals to 1. It is a parabola. Less than 1 ellipse, greater than 1 hyperbola. Okay. ये भी ट्रिक हो सकता है आपको आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए which conic section you have is. Okay. Very good. So what is eccentricity in the ellipse is E is equals to, it is PS by PM. Always remember. Okay. And what about the general equation of ellipse? See, if you rewrite this equation, what you will get is PS is equals to E into PM. Okay. And if this PS and PM are nothing but what? These are the distances. PS and PM are nothing but the distances. So if you take the square, E square and PM square, and if you substitute these distances PS and PM, and if you solve, you will get one relation between A and B. What is that relation is? It is x square by A square plus y square by B square is always equals to 1. Very important. Okay. And this is nothing but my equation of ellipse. This is an equation of ellipse. X square by A square plus y square by B square equals to 1, where B square is equals to A square into bracket 1 minus E square. Don't worry, ये भी मैं आपको बता दूंगा क्या है. Okay, so B square is equals to A square into 1 minus E square is. So where is B, where is A? So if you come this side, so this is nothing but, in the next figure you will understand where we have B. So these are nothing but the, on the y axis you will get this B point. Okay, so B square is equals to A square into 1 minus E square. In the ellipse we have E which is always less than 1. Okay, means 1 minus less than 1 is again positive number here. So you will have this B square which is less than A square. So this is the case when your B is less than A. Okay, whenever B is less than A. See here, ये वाला जो पार्ट है ना ये B का पार्ट है, एंड ये वाला जो पार्ट है ना वो A का पार्ट है. आपको फिगर से क्या लग रहा है? ऑफ कोर्स ना, फ्रॉम द फिगर you get that A is greater than B. See, these are not distances. I am just giving you an idea how to remember. So A which is an x-axis and this is a B which is of on y-axis. So from the figure if you see A is greater than B. So this is the equation of ellipse where A is greater than B. Then what about when B is greater than A? Yes, we have the same thing. Yes, here it is. What do you think? See here we have B on the y and here we have the A on a x. So in this case your B is greater than A. Okay, then what will be the equation of ellipse? Boss, equation of ellipse will remain same, x square by A square plus y square by B square equals to 1. तो क्या चेंज होगा? सिर्फ only you will get change in this a and b. In the previous case you had this b square is equals to a square into 1 minus a square. In this case you will be having a square is equals to b square into 1 minus e square. डोंट वरी इफ यू आर गेटिंग कन्फ्यूज्ड, ये वीडियो आपको फिर से एक बार देखना है सो दैट कंसेप्ट आपका क्लियर हो रहा है. ओके, सी हियर b इज ग्रेटर है, you are multiplying the greater number with the less than one number and you will get the smaller number. Okay, a square. Okay, very good. I hope you are getting this. So we have the two parabola ellipse here actually. So first this is our original ellipse and this is our second transformed ellipse we can say. Now let's highlight the important parts. देखो यहाँ पे, so this is an origin, that is center, यहाँ पे भी center है. Okay, if it is an focus, here we have the focus. What is the focus coordinates? It is AE comma 0. If these are the focus on this ellipse, what will be the focus on this ellipse? So focus will be what? ये focus रहेंगे अभी आपको. So major axis is, now the y axis becomes the major here. Major axis, here we have the major axis on a x axis. So this is my focus and this is the second focus we have. So what will be the coordinate of this point? It is 0 comma BE. This is a 0 comma BE. Okay, getting 0 comma BE. What about this? It is 0 comma minus BE. Then we have the next point. See here, F, V and D. What is V is? It is a vertex. What are the coordinates? It is a comma 0. If this is a vertex here, here we have the vertex on this ellipse. So what will be the coordinate of this? It is 0 comma B. As simple as that. Here we have 0 comma minus B. Okay, so this is a B and this is another B. So the total distance between the vertex is nothing but a 2B. And if you come this side, the total distance between the vertex is nothing but a 2a. Okay, very good. Next you have is the directrix. Directrix, what is the equation of this directrix? X is equals to a by e. What do you think? What about this directrix on this side? This इसका ellipse का क्या रहेगा? It is, see, it is a parallel to x axis, means its form will be out. Y is equals to what? What do you think? It is a b by e. Boss a है ना, तो यहाँ पे just replace a by b. You will get the same thing. It is a b by e. Okay. So if you remember this much na, it is more than sufficient. No need to remember any formula, nothing. सिर्फ आपको क्या remember करना है? In this figure you have a is greater than b. In this figure, of course, a is greater than b. And in this figure, it is b is greater than a. Equation of ellipse will remain same. What is that equation is? It is x square by a square plus y square by b square. It is equals to 1. See, this is equation is what? It is the same equation for both these two ellipse. What is the difference is, ये इसके लिए applicable है and ये इसके लिए applicable है. Means what? Here we have b square is equals to a square into 1 minus e square, and here we have a square is equals to b square into 1 minus e square. भाई अब तक तो आपको ये सब है ना एकदम क्लियर होना चाहिए, बिकॉज एकदम सिस्टमेटिक वे में हो गया ये सब. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, डोंट मग अप, ट्राई टू रिमेंबर figures. Is it okay? Very good. Now let's see the first question based on whatever we have studied. Let's see the first question. क्या बोल रहा है ये? The equation of ellipse whose center is at 0 0. No problem, मतलब ये origin में है. Foci is plus or minus 1 comma 0 and eccentricity is 1 by 2. See, whenever they have not mentioned anything about the it is a vertical ellipse or a horizontal ellipse, we'll directly consider the horizontal ellipse which is an standard ellipse. मतलब see, this is our horizontal ellipse and this is our vertical ellipse. Okay, this is a standard one. तो अगर उन्होंने कुछ कमेंट नहीं दिया है तो डायरेक्टली विल कंसिडर आवर हॉरिजॉन्टल एलिप्सेस. ओके, वेरी गुड. सो क्या क्या दिया है आपको? सो फोसाई इज प्लस और माइनस 1 comma 0 एंड यू नो इन एन एलिप्स व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन और व्हाट इज द वे टू रिमेंबर इट इज एफ, इट इज वी एंड इट इज अ डी. सो it is a focus which is AE comma 0, vertex is at A comma 0 and directrix is at A by E comma 0. अभी देखो क्या पूछा है. फोकस दिया है, फोकस मतलब ये ए दिया है उन्होंने, फोकस दिया है वो 1, so we'll take AE is equals to 1 and eccentricity they have given as a 1/2, so substitute. Okay, so A into 1/2 which is equals to 1, so A कितना आ गया भाई, A आ गया 2. What they are asking, equation of ellipse पूछ रहा है वो. So for the equation of ellipse you require 2 points, one is A and other is B. Okay, so what is the equation of ellipse in general form? It is x square by A square plus y square by B square equals to 1. You have A, so how you will find out B then? Boss, we know the relation between A, B and E. So for the horizontal ellipse, which is where your B is less than A, so for that what we have is, it is B square is equals to A square into 1 minus E square. Okay, so substitute कर दो, B square equals to A square is what? A square is 2 का square कितना गया, 4 आ गया. 1 minus E square, E is what? 1/2, so 1/4 हो गया. So it is nothing but 4 into 4 minus 1, it is 3/4, so which is nothing but 3. So B square कितना गया भाई, 3 आ गया. हो गया भाई, आंसर अब निकल गया. एक्स स्क्वायर बाय ए स्क्वायर कितना है 4 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर कितना है, इट इज 3, इट इज इक्वल्स टू 1. दैट्स इट, दिस इज आवर आंसर. ये मेरा आंसर आ गया भाई. कितना इजी है, इट्स वेरी वेरी इजी इफ यू. ठीक है, ये भाई इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको याद रखो. एफ वी डी. ओके, हाइपरबोला में भी सेम रहेगा. instead of FVD we'll have DVF there. Okay, so it's very very simple. Okay, let's see the next one. The equation of ellipse whose focus is 6,7. Okay, focus दिया है 6,7 and the directrix is x plus y plus 2 equals to 0 and the eccentricity is, ये क्या है भाई, it is 1/√3 है. Okay, okay, see here, generally we have the focus as like this AE comma 0. मतलब यहाँ पे we have 6 and 7 both are non-zero, means what, it is an shifted ellipse, it is not on an x axis and y. ये center पे, इसका जो center है ना वो 0 0 पे नहीं है, ये shifted ellipse है. Okay, so in that case we cannot apply this AE comma 0. Don't worry, but we have the concept with us. So what is that concept is, okay, see here, it is an x-axis and y-axis we have, and this is an ellipse, consider it is an ellipse. Okay, so this is a focus, means what, it is a S. Directrix यहाँ पे किधर रहेगा directrix. So what is our concept is, see here, PS by PM is equals to E. So it is a P, it is S and it is M. So can you find out this distance PM? Yes, definitely. We know the equation of a directrix and you know the coordinate of this point P are x comma y. So easily you can find out the distance of this line from the point. So PM will be what? So PM will be, it is mod of x plus y plus 2 divided by what? Root of a square plus b square is what? 1 plus 1 is 2, which is nothing but x plus y plus 2 divided by root 2. ये हो गया मेरा PM. So what will be PS? How you will find out PS? PS is equals to, you know the coordinates of P and S के coordinates कितना है? It is 6,7. So it is 6,7. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So PS square will directly do. Okay, so it is x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square. So it is nothing but PS square. And what about the PM square is? This is my PM square. And you know for ellipse what is the relation we have is PS by PM is equals to E. PS by PM is equals to E. So from that, if I take this square and rearrange, what you will get? PS square equals to E square into PM square. Isn't it? So this we have already seen in my previous slide. Now see, if you substitute, so why I am taking this question, because for the concept. Okay, don't expect this much lengthy questions in your exam. So PS square, so PS square मतलब ये वाला part. So it is x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square, which is equals to E square. Eccentricity कितना दिया है? 1/√3. So it becomes 1/3 into PM square. What is PM square? इसका square कितना रहेगा? Square root का square किया तो 1/2 आ गया. Then इसका square. So it is x plus y plus 2 होल स्क्वायर. नाउ सॉल्व करो इसको. सो यू विल बी हैविंग एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 12x प्लस 36 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 14y प्लस 49 इक्वल्स टू 1/6 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 4 प्लस 2xy प्लस 4x प्लस 4y. isn't it? okay, so x square plus y square plus 4 हो गया. ये 2 into 2 4xy 2xy 4x and 4y. okay, very good. now let's solve this. so if you take this 6 on this side, you will be having 6x square 72x plus 36 into 6 plus 6y square minus 14 into 6y plus 49 into 6 is equals to the same thing. okay, now if you simplify and make an arrangement, what equation you will get it? it is 5x square. क्या करना है, इसको सिर्फ अभी सॉल्व करना है. ओके, हियर LHS and we have and RHS we have. जो भी कोएफिशिएंट सेम दिख रहे हैं उसको कैंसिल आउट कर दो. सो यू विल बी हैविंग 5x स्क्वायर प्लस 5y स्क्वायर माइनस 76x माइनस 88y माइनस 2xy plus 506 is equals to 0. so you should get this equation. okay, what is the equation of the ellipse is? this is my equation of ellipse for this given condition. okay, so don't worry, for these lengthy questions also we have very effective tricks, and these tricks we will be looking while we are solving our previous year question paper. okay, so तब तक आपको क्या करना है, वीडियोस देखते रहना है. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, आपको लाइक हिट करना है. ओके, आपको शेयर करना है आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ, जूनियर सीनियर के साथ, एंड डेफिनेटली आपको कमेंट भी करना है कि आपको कैसा लगा ये वीडियो. ओके, सो इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, कमेंट सेक्शन में ऐसा लिखो, सर यस दिस वीडियोज आर वेरी रियली इफेक्टिव, and definitely you will be subscribing this channel so that you will not be missing any upcoming videos. okay, so upcoming videos में जो भी है हम ना previous year question paper analysis and with the tricks. okay, until then, bye bye.